Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey is with us live on this developing story. Brijesh, before I cut across to Rajya Sabha once again, the question really is, what is the compromise formula, if you could bring it to light for our viewers, that the government is now offering?
Well, right now the government has not made it clear whether it is scrapping the CSAT completely or not. But it seems that they have taken the middle path, a small step solution just to resolve this crisis, so that they can work on the issue in its totality. And this is the reason why the government has announced that the English marks will not be added either to gradation or to merit. And apart from that, the government has also said that all the students who have appeared in 2011 will now get an extra chance in 2015, so as to settle for any loss of time or loss of air. So the government is trying to balance it out, but incidentally there is no clear-cut indication from the government whether it is also conceding to one of the biggest demand of the students, which was to scrap the CSAT completely. And it is being inferred that the fact that A.K. Verma committee was also in favor of maintaining or making sure that the CSAT remains and this examination schedule remains as it is. And this is one of the big reasons why the government has not announced till now whether they have scrapped the CSAT completely or not. But definitely they have addressed some of the concerns which were plaguing the students a big way. But will they also concede to one of the another important demand of students is that they should be given a month extra, or the examination should be deferred by at least 1 month to make up for the time which the students have lost while protesting against the decision of the government, or the decision or protesting against the CSAT is yet to be seen. I think once the MOSPMO Dr. Jitendra Singh comes out of after making a statement in the parliamentary, then there will be some more clarification on these issues.
But Brijesh, clearly the students are not happy with this development, because I believe they will be protesting outside Rajnath Singh's residence at about 5 o'clock.
Well, yes, I mean, there's not a greater degree of clarity as to whether the government has agreed to scrap CSAT completely or not, which was also one of the big demand of the students. And the another demand is also of whether the whole examination can be deferred by a month at least, so that the student gets a chance to make up for the time loss and all. So these are the issues which will be clarified by the minister in, I think, another half an hour max. And I think this will bring a degree of clarity. And but it also remains that the government has chosen the middle path as of now, whereby they made the whole language a language neutral, as Dr. Jitendra Singh was saying a while back in Rajya Sabha, so as to make sure that any language or the CSAT examination, which was said to be heavily loaded in favor of English language, was also brought back, and there's a language parity is introduced. So all those clarity will be in a while when he comes out and address press in a while after making a statement in Rajya Sabha. Vedika?
All right, we'll await some clarity from the government on that big developing story. But as of now, well, the opposition isn't happy, and neither are students who have been protesting across the nation and will also be staging protests outside Rajnath Singh's residence at about 5 o'clock this evening.